In case you are experiencing loss of some channels on your DStv decoder, or your decoder is bringing up error E48, or sometimes your decoder pictures are hanging, then you are supposed to do a rescan of your decoder. And I'm going to take you through the process of rescanning or resetting your DStv decoder through the DStv installation wizard. So follow me and I'll guide you step by step on how to go about this. And I ask that you follow and you watch this video to the very end, and also like, share and subscribe so that you can get more future do-it-yourself technical tips. And this is how it is done. On your DStv remote, press the blue DStv button or the menu button, and you scroll on the left using the scrolling buttons here. So use the left one until you are at the setting sub-menu. You select this and then you go to system setting. You select the reset the decoder settings. You okay this, and then select the reset factory default. Here you are supposed to confirm that you want to factory default your decoder. So you okay this, and once you okay this, your decoder will go blank. After a while, your decoder will start to boot up. Once the booting process is complete, then your decoder starts to load. Wait until the loading is complete. Once the loading process is complete, you get into this installation wizard page. Here I'm going to guide you step by step on how you go through the installation wizard process. There are 5 steps that you need to go through. The first one is selection of the language that you are going to use. In my case, I'm going to use English. So on my remote, I okay. This one takes me to the second page where I'm supposed to select the satellite. The selection of the satellite depends on where you are living in. If you are in Southern African countries, then the satellite to select is IS20 or IS36. Those 2 satellites are meant for those that are in Southern African countries like Botswana, Mozambique, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and the right. If you are living in Eastern Africa, Western Africa, or any other part of Africa apart from the Southern African countries, then you select E36B, or you can select E36C. Those 2 satellites are meant for those people who are living in any other part of Africa apart from those that are living in Southern African countries. Once you are done with the selection of the satellite, you move on to the next step by okaying. And this one takes us to the third page. Here you are supposed to go for manual setup. You okay? It takes us to the fourth step. Here we are supposed to select the kind of or the type of R&B that we are using. For those that are using Zapper, the R&B type to select is universal. But in case you are using an Explorer, then R&B type to select is the unicable. So be very careful here. In my case, I'm using the universal. So I select this, I okay this, and then I go to scan. I go down to scan, and once I'm there, you can see that my decoder has already gotten the signal. The signal status is okay. the bar has filled up. So at this point, you go ahead and you scan your decoder. So you just okay, and you get into the last step, which is the scanning stage of the decoder. So wait until the scanning process is complete and all the channels have been saved. That is how it is done. It is as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching.